Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about our research. The title is Sentiment Classification of Indonesian Marketplace Product Reviews with long short-term memory and fast-tag word embedding. First of all, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Gozitake Alansori as a first author and Mrs. Dewi Retnosari Saputro as a second author. We are from Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Universitas 11 Maret. And this presentation is presented on International Conference of Mathematics and Mathematics Education 2022. First, I will explain about the introduction of this article. Marketplace is growing very rapidly in Indonesia. Based on data from Badan Pusat Statistik, the number of business actors using marketplace service in 2021 reached 2,361,423 business. Product reviews can be used to make it easier for other buyers to assess a product to be purchased. Product reviews can also be used by sellers to analyze and evaluate the products being sold. The analysis will be difficult if the number of reviews on a product has been too many to thousands. Text classification is one method that can be used to assist in text analysis. One of the case studies that have been widely carried out in the problem of marketplace product reviews analysis is sentiment classification. Sentiment classification aims to find out the polarity of positive, negative, and neutral sentiments. In the previous research about sentiment classification of Indonesian marketplace product reviews, RD et al. Have used support vector machine yields an accuracy of 80%. Mayfitrah et al. Have used naive Bayes yields an accuracy of 83%. Rohman et al. Have used k-nearest neighbor yields an accuracy of 88%. And what is developed from the previous research? SVM, naive Bayes, and KNN enable to learn the text data sequentially. And in this study, the long short-term memory method will be used because reference from Tolusuri et al. LSTM shown to be effective in training long sequential data models. Secondly, word normalization for handling non-standard word not effective for large amounts of data. And in this study, the fast-tag word embedding will be used. Because reference from Riza and Garibaldi, fast-tag more efficient to overcome the use of non-standard word or out of vocabulary. The purpose of this study is to obtain a sentiment classification model in the Indonesian marketplace product reviews with fast-tag algorithm for word embedding and long short-term memory for sentiment classification. The second is method. The method used in this research is as follows. The first is data collection from the marketplace using the web scraping method. Second is labeling data. Third is pre-processing data such as cache folding, remove new line and number, remove punctuation, and tokenization. Fourth is feature extraction using fast-tag. Fifth is architectural testing using LSTM. And the last is testing model using confusion matrix, accuracy, recall, precision, and F1 score. The data generated from the collection, then labeled and pre-processed is 840 Indonesian marketplace product reviews data. The data is then divided into training data and test data with a ratio of 80 to 20. Next, fast-tag word embedding. Fast-tags learn word representation based on subword information. Each word is represented as a set of n-gram characters. And this is an example. After the word is represented with n-gram characters, the skip-gram model is trained to learn the embedding vector of the word. Fast-tag performs well, can train model on large data sets quickly, and can provide word representation that do not appear in the training data or out of vocabulary. Next, LSTM. LSTM is a type of recurrent neural network architecture that was developed to avoid the constraint of poor RNN against long-term memory problems. LSTM can solve vanishing gradient problems with memory cells and gate units, and it is an LSTM architecture with forget gate, input gate, cell state, and output gate. Third is result and discussion. Based on the FASTEC model training using the review datasets, a model with a total vocabulary of 2,984 vocabs was obtained with each vocab represented by a 200-dimensional matrix. The obtained model produced a word embedding model that can group words based on their context and their proximity of their constituent characters. Here are the test results. This word embedding model can represent words that are written incorrectly and are not included in the vocabulary. And here are the test results. From the LSTM model training carried out on different architecture, we got the best model with a single layer LSTM architecture with 500 units. Here are the experimental results. And here is the confusion matrix of the best model. Fourth is conclusion. Based on the result of the analysis, it is concluded that the word embedding model trained using the FASTEC algorithm can overcome the use of non-standard word in Indonesian marketplace product reviews, and the sentiment classification model in the Indonesian marketplace product review with LSTM algorithm has good performance and produce good prediction for positive and negative labels. Here are the test results. And the last is acknowledgement. The author would like to thank Mathematical Soft Computing Research Group for their moral support and incisive comments to improve this article. The research described in this paper is supported by a fundamental grant from the Research and Community Service Institute of Universitas 11 Maret through a letter of agreement for the implementation of the research implementation of the non-APBN fund number 257.22/PT.01.03/20,022. That's all my presentation. Thank you for attention and see you.